Dear friend, now this is wedding audio guest book telephone manufactured by Cheetah Company. Model 8305 white. Now let's unpack and install. The first step of the installation tutorial is to install the handle bracket and tighten the screws. The second step of the installation tutorial, install the handle. The third step of the installation tutorial, install the battery. Next is the recording tutorial, greeting message recording. To record your greeting message, please follow these steps. In the state of hang up the phone, long press the middle button until you hear a beep.
Hi, dear friends. Thank you very much for coming to our wedding. You can leave your wishes for us in audio guest book phone.
After the recording ends, the greeting message recording will be automatically played once.
You can leave your wishes for us in audio guest book phone.
Press the middle button once to play again.
Hi, dear friends. Thank you very much for coming to our wedding. You can leave your wishes for us in audio guest book phone.
Now for guest message recording. To record a guest message, please follow these steps. Pick up the phone. The greeting message will play automatically. Wait for the beep sound and start recording your guest message.
You can leave your wishes for us in audio guest book phone.
Hi, happy wedding. I wish you a happy day. Love you. Hang up the handle. The recording ends. Now it is part 3. Check the greeting audio and guest message audio files. The specific operation method is use a USB cable to connect to the computer. There are 2 files in the U-disk. The greeting folder is for storing greeting audio files, and the guest folder is for storing guest message audio files. Note: you can record greetings in advance and replace the files in the greeting folder, so that the audio guest book telephone will play your greetings recorded in advance. Finally, let's listen to the recorded guest message audio just now. Hi, happy wedding. I wish you a happy day. Love you.